When working with sheet metal components, sometimes it's valuable to just get some high-level data about like the number of profiles that are in a part. And this can be useful for cost estimation purposes. So we're going to use the table function for feature to get the flat sum, did I spell it right? The flat sum profiles. And what this is going to do is it's going to take the number of, it's going to compute the number of profiles, in this case for the active model, and we're going to write it to a table called myTable. So these other open functions are here just for a follow-on example that we're going to do right after this. So when I run this, it's going to connect to Creo, and it's going to extract that data and write out the active models, number of profiles that are currently in the design. So the outer profile is always going to be the first one, obviously. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 profiles, which is correct. So let's modify this to consider other models at the same time. So you can actually use this command to wildcard multiple models in your Creo session at the same time. So I'm actually just using this to look for any flat patterns. We have an underscore F to kind of signify that. And when we run this, it's going to loop through each of those models that's been opened into the Creo session, scan that data, and then write out a nice report for us for which components satisfy that requirement and the number of profiles that are in each. And then from here, you can take that table data and combine it in Power Query to do a cost estimate on, like how many punch operations or how many piercing operations are required for each of those components as part of a roll-up of a cost summary.